Hey, this is Sasha. Thank you so much for joining me here for another episode on Backstage Income, where I share with you how to build and grow a profitable business. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at bringing in traffic to your website or blog. In other words, your website. Traffic is key to getting started into converting that visitor into a customer. So let me share with you some insights. Is YouTube better versus Pinterest? Which one wins? Which one's going to bring you some more direct traffic? So let's take a look and I'll show you my stats from the Backstage Income website. All right, so here it is. Here is our stats for August 2019. As you know, if you don't know, I run a couple of different businesses, and Backstage Income is one of the smaller ones that I'm just evolving right now. We have 3,638 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I have my other one, which is a Trader's Fly, which has 127,000 subscribers. So that one is kind of a stable business, so I kind of let it cook and do its thing. So the one I'm growing, just to give you some insights and thoughts on, hey, which one is a good one to kind of ramp things up. BackstageIncome.com here. Let me show you here our traffic here. So when I look at the months and I look at August 2019, which is the last full complete month here as we shoot this video in September, which by the time it goes out, it might be October. But for August, you can see we've had 2,768 views, or about 1,800 visitors. But really, where's the traffic coming from? The referrers. So when you look at the Pinterest, is the biggest source. We got 1,280 that came in from Pinterest, whereas with YouTube at 111. So nearly 11 to 12 times bigger was Pinterest. Now, search engines came in about third. Now, remember, there's multiple search engines. So that one came in about, what is that, one third, one quarter of the Pinterest traffic. So, of course, Google came in there with 429, Bing, and so on. But remember, this is just growing. Facebook had 28. So just goes to show you that certain areas can jumpstart and boost your traffic very quickly if you know what you're doing and picking things out. Now, even with Pinterest, it takes time to grow. Sometimes you max out and cap out on your Pinterest as well, just like you would with YouTube. But once you've saturated the market, you've saturated the market. That's why I have multiple niches and businesses and that kind of thing. Sometimes it's not worth it to go beyond that level, maybe because you don't have the team with that expertise. Maybe you just have other passions, desires, or you want to build a different kind of foundation. Again, it's up to you, your business, whatever you want to do. But as far as traffic goes, you can see that Pinterest definitely skyrocketed the traffic directly to the blog, more so than YouTube. And why is that? Well, YouTube tries to keep you on the page on YouTube, whereas Pinterest directs people off the page directly to your blog, which is very, very handy and very convenient as a blogger. Unfortunately, with Pinterest, you don't get paid for people clicking your pins and that kind of thing, whereas with YouTube, as people watch your videos, you get paid and compensated. So there's always a trade-off, right? Anyways, I just want to share with you this thought and insight. Again, depending on what you do in your business, in your blog, that's a personal matter and a personal decision, but I just want to show you that Pinterest definitely brings in more traffic to this website, and I will say a handful of other websites that we manage as well, more so than the YouTube side of things. But you have to do your own evaluation analysis, try different things, see what works, see what doesn't, and then fine tune them and make them your own. Take note of it. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for joining me here in this week's episode. If you want to go ahead and join the newsletter list, feel free to click the link right over here, and that way you get notified as we release new books or courses and training material, some of them being absolutely free. But if you want to just subscribe on YouTube, then click the face icon right here. Thanks for joining me, and remember, do what you love, contribute to other people, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.